Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a new wallet account on Exodus Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exodus Wallet app on your device. And once you are in the home page, you will need to tap on the Create Wallet button. Now, as soon as you tap on the Create Wallet button, your wallet will be immediately created. You will then see the Receive or Buy screen as well. Now tap on your account icon at the top left corner, which will take you to your portfolio. Now tap on Settings and More. From here, tap on Settings once again. And now you can back up your seed phrase for your wallet. Tap on the Backups button. And now you can choose from Google Drive Backup or the secret phrase Manual Backup. Tap on your desired option. And if you choose the secret phrase, you will be shown your 12-word secret phrase that you can use to log in to your account at any time. Tap on the View button, which will now show you your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to save these recovery phrases in a safe place so that you can access them anytime you need to log into your account in the future. After you have saved this, tap on the Done button, and you will now be asked to enter a random word from your phrases. Check the note that you have recently made, and then choose the appropriate word and press on the Done button. After confirming your backup, you will see a Complete button, which means that your wallet account has now been set up. You can now use these seed phrase anytime you need to log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Exodus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.